They studied his book for 600 years, then changed his name to Avicenna. But Avicenna didn't exist. His name was Ibn Sina, born in Bukhara, Central Asia in 980 AD. A child who memorized the Quran by 10, mastered philosophy by 16, and was practicing medicine by 18. Not as a student, as a physician. By 21, he had written his first major scientific work. By the time he was 30, he had already produced enough to make some scholars' entire careers look modest by comparison. Philosophy, medicine, mathematics, astronomy, physics, poetry. Ibn Sina moved through every field of human knowledge with the same systematic obsession. He wrote over 450 works across every discipline. His astronomical observations corrected errors in Ptolemy's model of the solar system, but it was medicine where he changed the world most completely. He built Al-Qanun fi al-Tibb, the Canon of Medicine, 5 volumes of the most complete, most precisely organized medical science the world had ever seen. Anatomy, diagnosis, surgery, pharmaceuticals, infectious disease, preventive medicine, everything unified into one coherent scientific framework for the first time in history. He identified tuberculosis as contagious, centuries before Europe understood what contagion even meant, described how diseases spread through contaminated water and soil, invented quarantine during an active outbreak, documented 760 drugs with precise dosages and effects, described the connection between emotions and physical health, laying the foundation of what modern medicine calls psychosomatic medicine. European universities discovered the canon in the 12th century when it was translated into Latin. They immediately adopted it as the primary medical textbook across every major institution: Paris, Bologna, Oxford. For 600 years, from the 12th century to the 1650s, medical students across Europe were trained entirely from Ibn Sina's book. They called him Avicenna in Europe, studied his work for centuries, but never gave him credit. Hit the follow button. We need your support in this journey.